Element is the sum of its individuals.
Element has a really diverse group of people that I enjoy working with.
Many different cultures.
Element brings together people with different backgrounds.
Ja, z Ukrajiny.
Magyarországról.
Eu venho do Brasil.
Je suis de l'île Maurice.
I'm from Sheffield in the UK.
我来自中国。
నేను ఇండియాలో ఉన్న ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను.
Ich bin aus Berlin.
Element is diversity.
Professional, fast-moving, and fun.
Here at Element, tech and business work together hand in hand.
I like the flat hierarchies at Element.
Dynamic working days.
Autonomy.
I can be creative.
Empowerment.
Team spirit.
Element puts a lot into my career development.
We have really great social events.
A vision to change the industry.
I experience a lot of cross-functional understanding.
All about the people.
Ich bin aus Deutschland.
Nederland.
Ukraine.
And I'm in Masr. Я из Киева, Украина.
Canada.